guard. When talking about the bathroom, the most annoying is in the odor. People has always been wondering how to properly prevent the bathroom odor. The Magic Bear Cleaner has been inspired to solve this issue. It is easy to use one tier of the sticker. To pull out the stopper from the top, put the bottle bear in the water tank. Maintenance tasks become a breeze since it will automatically clean the toilet during flushing process. Yet emitting a light fragrance has achieved the purposes of deodorization, decontamination, and antibacterial. One bottle of Magic Bear can be used for up to 1,000 times, and the whole family no longer has to worry about the bathroom odor. Elf Guard.